I reviewed dozens of Amazon's brand stores, and almost every one of them made the same 5 mistakes. Not design mistakes, that's the conversion mistakes. The kind that quietly cost your sales every single day. So before you spending another dollar on Amazon ads, fix these 5 things first. In the next few minutes, we will break down real brand store examples, uncover why they work, and show you how to apply the same ideas to your own store without redesigning everything. So let's start with the first mistake. The first mistake I see in many Amazon brand stores is trying to say everything in the first banner. Every product, every feature, every offer. But that's not how shoppers think. Before they browse your store, they are asking one simple question. Can I trust the brand? Now look at this example. Their banner is simple. A clear logo, you can see that. One strong message, you can see that, which is the world's #1 mobile charging brand. And to seeing this within a second, you know who they are, what they sell, and why they are credible. That's exactly what your banner should do. Not explain your entire catalog, just build trust. If your banner is packed with product collage, long paragraphs, and too many badges, shoppers have to work harder to understand your brand. And on Amazon, confusion costs clicks. So keep it simple. Your logo, one strong visual, one clear brand promise. The moment someone enters your brand store, don't make them guess which product to look at. Show them. Your best sellers have already earned customer trust. So let them do the selling. Look at brands like Anchor. Right below the banner, they immediately showcase products shoppers are most likely to buy. No endless scrolling, no hunting through categories. The products are right there. This works because shoppers naturally follow social proof. If everyone is buying one product, new customers are more likely to check it out first. So don't fill the top of your store with random products. Lead with your best sellers. Then let shoppers explore the rest of your catalog. Most shoppers don't come to your brand store looking for everything. They're looking for something specific. Maybe a charger, a power bank, a cable. If they can't find it in seconds, they will leave. Now look at Anchor again. Instead of showing one long list of products, they organize everything into clear shopping categories. So shoppers don't have to think. They simply click the category they need. And here is the good news. Creating these category pages is actually very simple. So go to Seller Central, then go to Store, and then click Manage Store. Now you see this interface, and here you need to click on Add Page. So inside Store Builder, just click Add Page, give them page name, choose a product grid, and add products from that category. That's it. Now instead of one crowded homepage, your customer get a much cleaner shopping experience. Good navigation isn't about helping people browse. It's about helping them find what they already came for. Most sellers think videos are just a nice extra. They are not. They are one of the fastest way to build trust. A shopper can read a title, or they can watch your product in action. In just a few seconds, a video answers questions that images can't. How big it is, how does it work, who is it for, and most importantly, can I picture myself using it? That's why many successful brands place a store product or lifestyle videos near the top of their store. Not at the bottom where nobody sees it. So keep it short, keep it useful, and show the product in the first few seconds. Because on Amazon, people don't watch videos for entertainment. They watch them to make buying decisions. The final mistake, treating your brand store as a one-time project. Many sellers build their store once, publish it, and never look at it again. But your store should grow with your business. Launching a new product, update your store. Running Prime Day deals, update your store. Holiday session, update your store. Amazon even provides store insights so you can see which pages shoppers visit and where they are dropping off. Use that data, keep testing, keep improving, because the best Amazon brands don't build a brand store. They continuously optimize it. Your brand store isn't a design project. It's a conversion asset. The more you improve it, the more value every visitor brings to your brand. So those are the 5 of the most common brand store mistakes I see sellers making. The good news is most of them are surprisingly easy to fix. But here is something we didn't cover today. A high converting brand store isn't just about strategy. Design matters too. The right layout, the right colors, the right visual hierarchy, even a small design decision can influence how shoppers trust your brand and move through your store. So the problem is most Amazon sellers are not designers, and they shouldn't have to be. That's exactly where our team at Ecomclips helps brands. We combine Amazon strategies with professional store design to build brand stores that don't just look good, they are built to convert. And in our next video, we'll break down the design principle behind high converting Amazon brand stores. We will show you what good design actually looks like and how you can apply those ideas to your own store. So if you don't want to miss that one, subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.